Yes, friends, welcome back again. Now, in this lecture, we will be continuing the uh, geochemistry. In previous lecture, I think we had considered chemical bonding, that is ionic bond, covalent bond, then metallic bond. Amongst that metallic bond is not that important in geochemistry. So ionic bond and covalent bond we had considered. Today we will go for the next summary, the last point of this unit, particularly geochemistry first unit. That is overall summary of what we have learned in overall geochemistry until today in these lectures. In that first, hydrogen is unique as it is the simplest possible atom consisting of just one proton and one electron. The hydrogen आपण जर periodic table मधले elements जर consider केले तर as it is having one atomic number and it is unique, it is simplest possible atom consisting of just one proton and one electron. Then alkali metals, from the periodic table, if we consider, these are very reactive metals that do not occur freely in nature. Means alkali metals are so reactive that they cannot remain single in the nature, so they do not occur freely in nature. These metals have only one electron in their outer shell, therefore they are ready to lose that one electron in ionic bonding with other elements. The alkali metals are softer than most other metals. Cesium and francium are the most reactive elements in this group. The alkali metals जर आपण कन्सिडर केलं पिरियडिक टेबलमधले, तर दे आर मोस्ट रिॲक्टिव्ह एलिमेंट्स. त्याच्यामधले सिझियम आणि फ्रान्सियम हे सगळ्यात जास्त ॲक्टिव्ह असं कन्सिडर केलं जातं, रिॲक्टिव्ह ॲक्च्युअली. अँड दे कॅनॉट, दोज मेटल्स कॅनॉट रिमेन फ्री. इन आवर सिम्पल लँग्वेज वी कॅन कन्सिडर दे कॅनॉट रिमेन सिंगल. जसं आपण हा सिंगल आहे, ती सिंगल आहे असं म्हणतो, ॲज इट इज. तशा प्रकारे आपण जर कन्सिडर केलं तर दे कॅनॉट रिमेन सिंगल. दे आर व्हेरी, they are having only one electron in their outer shell, so always ready to lose that electron and have bonding, ionic bonding with other elements. म्हणजे दुसऱ्या एलिमेंट सोबत आयोनिक बॉन्डिंग त्यांचं लगेच होऊ शकतं. सो दे won't occur freely in the nature mostly. Then alkaline earth metals next, we consider from the periodic table. The alkaline earth elements are metallic. All alkaline earth elements have an oxidation number 2, then making them very reactive. Means this oxidation number makes them very reactive. Because of their reactivity, the alkaline metals are not found free in nature. The alkaline earth metals are also considered to be always not found in free in the nature. They always they cannot found single in the nature, as we considered for the alkali metals. Those are also having have an oxidation number positive 2, so that makes them very reactive. त्याच्यामुळे ते रिॲक्टिव्ह होतात आणि बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रिॲक्टिव्हिटी these alkaline metals are not found free in nature. Then transition metals, the transition elements are both ductile and malleable and conducts electricity and heat. Transition elements are ductile, malleable, and due to those properties they are conducting electricity and heat. The interesting thing about transition metals is that their valence electrons, or the electrons they use to combine with other elements, are present in more than one shell. This is the reason why they often exhibit several common oxidation states. ठीक आहे. Then if we consider the other metals from the periodic table, alkali metal, hydrogen, alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, then transition metals बघितले. त्यानंतर जर आपण पुढचे राहिलेले शिल्लक राहिलेले मेटल्स जर बघितले, अदर मेटल्स, द 7 elements classified as other metals, unlike the transition elements, do not exhibit variable oxidation states. and their valence electrons are only present in their outer shell. Of all of these elements are solid, they have oxidation numbers 3, positive 3, positive 4, negative 4 and negative 3. So those are the other metals. Then last, that is metalloids. Metalloids are the elements found along the stair step line that distinguishes metals from non-metals. Means those are distinguished from metals from the non-metals. This line is drawn from between boron and aluminium to the border between polonium and astatine. Metalloids have properties of both metals and non-metals. Some of the metalloids, such as silicon and germanium, are semiconductors. Metalloids are those elements found along stair step line that distinguishes metals from non-metals. Metals आणि non-metals पासून distinguish ते होतात. ते and they found between boron and aluminium and to the border between polonium and astatine. Metalloids are having the properties of both metals and non-metals also. जसं म्हणजे काही मेटॉलॉइड्स आणि त्याच्यातले पर्टिक्युलरली सिलिकॉन आणि जर्मेनियम जर बघितलं तर ते सेमीकंडक्टर्ससुद्धा आहेत. दॅट इज द डिफरंट प्रॉपर्टी. देन नेक्स्ट इज नॉन मेटल्स. मग पिरियडिक टेबलमधले नॉन मेटल्स जर आपण कन्सिडर केले तर नॉन मेटल्स आर नॉट एबल टू कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और हीट व्हेरी वेल. नॉन मेटल्स आपण कशाला म्हणायचं? मेटल्स एबल टू कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अँड हीट, अँड नॉन मेटल्स दे आर नॉट एबल टू कंडक्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी और हीट व्हेरी वेल. चांगल्या प्रमाणात व्यवस्थित ते कंडक्ट करू शकत नाहीत इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अँड हीट. ॲज अपोज टू मेटल्स, नॉन मेटॅलिक एलिमेंट्स आर व्हेरी ब्रिटल. कंपेअर जर केलं मेटल्ससोबत तर नॉन मेटॅलिक कन्सिडर्ड टू बी समवॉट ब्रिटल. The non-metals exist in 2 of the 3 states of matter at room temperature. Non-metals can exist in 2 or the 3 states of matter at room temperature. Room temperature ला ते 2-3 states मध्ये present असू शकतात. States means, as we know, solid, liquid and gaseous state. Likewise, the gases such as oxygen can present in the form of gases. Solids, carbon solidच्या फॉर्ममध्ये राहू शकते. They have oxidation numbers positive 4, negative 4, negative 3 and negative 2. Then rare earth metals. The 30 rare earth elements are composed of the lanthanide and actinide series. लॅन्थॅनियम टू ल्युटेशियम ॲक्टिनाइड सिरीजमध्ये पण आणि लॅन्थॅनाइड सिरीजमध्ये पण आपण हे सगळे एलिमेंट्स बघतो. ऑलमोस्ट 30 रेअर अर्थ एलिमेंट्स आर देअर. दे आर ट्रान्झिशन मेटल्स. One element of the lanthanide series and most of the elements in the actinide series are called transuranic and are synthetic or man-made. म्हणजे यातले जे लॅन्थॅनाइड सिरीजमधलं एक एलिमेंट आणि ॲक्टिनाइड सिरीजमधले ऑल द एलिमेंट्स, मोस्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स आर कॉल्ड ट्रान्सयुरॅनिक अँड आर सिंथेटिक ऑर मॅनमेड. ते सिंथेटिक किंवा मॅनमेड आहेत असं आपण कन्सिडर करतो. देन हॅलोजन्स. द टर्म हॅलोजन मीन्स salt former and compounds containing halogens are called salts. All halogens have 7 electrons in their outer shell, giving them an oxidation number of -1. The halogens are non-metallic and exist at room temperature in all 3 states of matter. And the last but not the least, that are noble gases. All noble gases have the maximum number of electrons possible in their outer shell, that is 2 for helium, 8 for all others, making them stable and preventing them from forming compounds readily. So those are the chemical properties of elements. In short summary, all those elements, periodic table elements, त्यांची आपण summary discuss केली. here we conclude the first unit, I think. We will stop here today, and we'll continue in our next lecture, whether it will be online or offline. Thank you very much.